Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Subaru Forester Premium, stock reference number 5731. The shape runs from the 2nd month 2008 through to the 12th month 2012. It has an EE20 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 6-speed manual all drive transmission. EE20 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, requires a polish. Left fog light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate has no damage, non-spoiler type, non-camera type. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 2 small dents, right front door has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heating control, 6-stack CD player, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.